हेलो एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल माय डियर चिल्ड्रन। और आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चंस आपके वर्कबुक से ऑफ द चैप्टर पेपर मेनाग्री। ओके, तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज व्हाई डज जैक डिस्कार्ड द मेनाग्री मेड बाय हिज मदर? Options are because it was of Chinese origin, because he did not like his mother who was Chinese, because he did not like the animals in the menagerie, because a schoolmate teased Jack about his Chinese heritage. So the correct answer is option number D. Okay, because a schoolmate teased Jack about his Chinese heritage. Question number 2 पे आते हैं. The comparison between Obi-Wan Kenobi and Lahu is an example of symbolism, juxtaposition, contrast or hyperbole. So the correct answer is juxtaposition. What is juxtaposition? Juxtaposition is an act where we compare two things. Okay, two elements you can say or two characters you can say. हम compare करते हैं आपस में, ठीक है, either their similarities or their differences. So the correct answer is juxtaposition. Option number 3 पे question number 3 पे आते हैं. According to Jack's mother, Chinese for love. Okay, came from her mind, came from he subconscious, हर यहाँ पे होना चाहिए. C came from her heart on both B and C. So the correct option is option number C. Okay, और अगर आप लोगों ने इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन वीडियो नहीं देखा तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल पे जाके देखिएगा, आपको बहुत बेनिफिशियल लगेगा. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 पे आते हैं. डैड पुट डाउन हिज चॉपस्टिक्स. दिस इम्प्लाइज दैट चाइनीज फूड वॉज कुक्ड एट होम. ही वॉन्टेड टू पे अटेंशन टू वॉट हिज सन वॉन्टेड टू से. Option number C, that is he did not know how to use the chopsticks, or option number D, both A and B. So the correct answer is option number D, that is both A and B. Okay, question 5 पे आते हैं. According to Jack, he spent his time after the incident with Mark by learning Chinese, learning origami, learning English, studying French. So the correct answer is studying French. Okay, question number 6 पे आते हैं. Jack's father buys Jack's Star Wars action figures set because A, he wanted Jack to be more American, he wanted to hurt at his wife, Jack wanted the set, or all of the above. So the correct answer is Jack wanted the set. Option number C is the correct answer. Okay, 7 पे आते हैं. Lahu coming to life brought which of the following changes in Jack? What changes were seen in Jack? Okay, so the options are: as a child he stopped sobbing, as an adult he sought his mother, as a child he crumpled and threw it. Both A and B. So the correct answer is both A and B, that is as a child he stopped sobbing and as an adult he sought his mother. Question number 8 पे आते हैं. Who fell in the soy sauce? सोया सॉस में कौन गिर गया था? वाटर बफेलो, शार्क, टाइगर और डियर. So the correct answer is water buffalo. Okay, let's come to question number 9. How did Jack's mother's animals come to life? She had magic to give life to them. B, she breathed life into them. Her fingers had magic to bring them to life, or both A and C. But the correct option is option number B, that is she breathed life into them. Okay, 10. On Qingming, Jack's mother did which of the following? Okay, wrote letter to her parents, make origami cranes, blew them in the direction of her parents, all of the above. So the correct answer is option number D, that is all of the above. When Jack's father realized his bride did not know English, he hired a waitress to translate, got angry and sued the agency, went back to Connecticut and married Jack's mother without asking her consent. So the correct answer is option number A, that is hired a waitress, okay, to translate. Question number 12 is, when Mark came over to play with Jack, he brought paper menagerie, origami paper, Star Wars action figures, or D, Monopoly. So the correct answer is C, Star Wars action figures. Question number 13 says, when Jack stopped talking to his mother, she felt A, as if she were losing everything all over again. B, relieved that she would not have to learn English. C, angry that her son was shunning her. Or D, as if she were losing her roots. Okay, so the correct answer is option number A, that is as if she were losing everything all over again. तो question number 14 is, who was the most understanding and favorable character in the story Paper Menagre? Okay, so the options are Jack, Jack's father, Mark, or Jack's mother. So the option is clear, that is Jack's mother, option number D. Okay, next come to question 15. What did Jack demand from his mother? What did he demand from his mother? A. Star Wars action set, that his mother act as an American mother and not Chinese, that she should not have registered herself in one catalog, or that she should talk to the neighbors. Okay, so the correct answer is option number B, that is his mother act as an American mother and not Chinese. So option number B is the correct answer. Okay, let's come to the last question of this MCQ section, that is question number 16. At the end of the story, Jack finally understood his mother, felt sorry, played with the paper animals his mother made for him, or none of the above. So the correct answer is understood his mother. So that's all in today's session बच्चों. और अगर आप लोगों को अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक बटन जरूर दबाइएगा, एंड अगर सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया अब तक तो ज़रूर करिएगा. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग. बाय बाय.